और इस वक्त प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस हो रही है विदेश मंत्रालय की, आइए सीधे रुक करते हैं।
One minister, Srimati Sushma Swaraj, and one minister of state, retired General V.K. Singh, have handled both the portfolios. As a result of this, it soon became apparent that there was more that could be done to utilize the natural synergy between our foreign policy objectives and diaspora outreach, and that the division between the ministries was entirely unnatural, resulting in duplication of work and unnecessary delays. As you know, the entire execution of decisions and policies taken by the Ministry of Overseas Indian Affairs lay on our missions and posts abroad, which come under the jurisdiction of the Ministry of External Affairs. Indeed, even for the Ministry of Overseas Indian Affairs responses to Parliament questions, it needed to rely on data provided by our missions and posts. So keeping in line with the government's overall objective of minimizing government and maximizing governance, the process of...
विदेश मंत्रालय ने कहा है कि हम पड़ोसी देशों के साथ दोस्ती चाहते हैं, लेकिन आतंकवाद किसी कीमत पर बर्दाश्त नहीं किया जाएगा। विकास स्वरूप प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस को संबोधित कर रहे हैं, सुनिए।
हम यही कहेंगे कि अब पहल पाकिस्तान को करनी है। पाकिस्तान को हमने एक्शनेबल इंटेलिजेंस प्रदान कर दी है इस आतंकी हमले के बारे में, और अब हमें देखना है कि पाकिस्तान उस एक्शनेबल इंटेलिजेंस के ऊपर क्या निर्णय लेता है, क्या एक्शन लेता है। इससे ज़्यादा अभी मुझे इससे ज़्यादा और कुछ कहना नहीं है।
Sir, follow up to this, our policy consistently has been that terror and talks cannot go together. India is sticking to this point or not?
Of course, we are sticking, but we have said we must have talks on terror. And that is why the National Security Advisors met in Bangkok and they discussed all issues connected to terrorism. Yes.